You guys ready for a great recipe that's awesome on the macros and it's chocolate? Here we go. We've got my chocolate brownie, protein brownie, and this sucker's got 393 calories, 55 grams of carbs, 33 grams of protein, and only 7 grams of fat. Without further ado, let's get to it. Now, don't forget, we gotta spray lightly on each of these bowls, so you don't want it to stick. We're gonna use the Ninja here. Use whatever blender you want, but we'll combine all the ingredients in this big bad boy. We're gonna start off with 80 grams of some Quaker Oats, 140 grams of this 100% pumpkin. We got 40 grams of your favorite chocolate protein. Next up, 20 grams of these power cakes, these Kodiak cakes. You can use chocolate chip, whichever one you want. We adding some more chocolate. We got 20 grams of some cocoa. To add some protein to it, we got 100 grams of some egg whites. Next up, 200 milliliters of some unsweetened almond milk. Now let's add 6 grams of some no-calorie sweetener, 5 grams baking soda. We got a pinch of salt. All right, so we got all the ingredients in this bad boy except chocolate chips. We're gonna save that for later. So we're going to put the lid on, turn it on, and get ready to blend this bad boy. All right, we'll get this bad boy off. Look at that, man. See that chocolatey goodness? Here we go. All right, now don't forget, we gotta weigh out our 14 grams of chocolate chips. We're gonna evenly put those between the two bowls. There we go. It's going in the air fryer 20 minutes. Again, you do not have to preheat this thing up. And we're gonna air fry it, but we're actually going to bake it because my air fryer, and maybe it's most air fryers, is supposed to be at 275 degrees. And when you go to air fry, it doesn't do 275. I have to turn it to bake. Then it lets me do 275. So, but it's right at 20 minutes. Ah, yeah, the moment of truth. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at that. Oh.